Good morning, year 4. How are you? This is Miss Mariam. I'm back with another video. I'm going to start now telling you all about the mixed numbers. This is page 210, chapter 15 in your pupils book. Let's start. First of all, what is a mixed number? A mixed number comes from the name, mixed number. This is a mix between two different numbers. The first one is a whole number. The second one is a fraction. So the mixed number is a mix between a whole number and a fraction. For example, this is a cookie. I ate one whole cookie. Then I ate another one whole cookie. And after then, I ate this half of a cookie. So this means I ate 2.5 cookies, right? So 2 whole cookies and a half. How do I write this down into a mixed number? This is really easy. I write down 2, which represents the 2 whole cookies that I ate, and then 1/2, which you all know, yes, of course, a half. So whenever I read this number, this mixed number, 2.5, I know that this is a mixed number. Let's look at it another way. Look at this picture. I have here 4 holes. Can you all see it? How do I know this is a hole? Because all of its part is shaded. So one whole shaded number, another one whole shaded number, 3 shaded numbers, whole shaded numbers, and then 4 whole shaded numbers. So how many holes do I have? I have 4. What about the other part? This part is divided into 3 equal parts, as you can see. But it's only shaded 2 parts out of 3 parts. So this is a fraction, exactly. So what is the fraction of this picture? I have how many parts all together? How many equal parts? I have 3. So as you can see here, the denominator is 3. And how many shaded parts out of these 3 parts? 2. So it is 2/3 or 2/3. Now let's put them together. They are going to be 4, 2/3, like you can see here. Next, page 211. Now you understood the idea? I know you did. Lovely. Now let's do the same thing, but we are going to solve it on our own. Here, how many holes do I have here? I have 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes. So I'm going to write down here 3. Exactly. So 3. Now, what about this part? How many shaded parts out of how many parts all together? Yes, 3 shaded parts out of 5 parts. It's written down here, fifths. So I write down 3/5, 3 shaded part out of 5. So these 3 holes is going to be 3. And let's write down 3/5 into fraction. I'm going to write down here 3 shaded parts out of 5 parts. So let's add the 3 as a whole number and 3/5, which is fraction. Let's put them together. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's going to be 3 and 3/5. Right? Thank you. Now, let's move to the second part here. Now, we are the ones who's going to write down the mixed number, which is now easy. How many parts are here? 4. And how many shaded parts? 4. So I have here 1 whole shaded shape, right? Let's try to figure out the fraction here. It is, yes, 2 shaded parts, lovely. Out of how many parts all together? 4. Now you understood the idea? Amazing.